Welcome to a new lecture of your class. Today morning I have sent the tasks for today. I hope that you all have done the task carefully. Now it's time to sit along with your exercise books, and I hope that you will be enjoying this session as if I am going to talk to you via this session. And with this, I think together we are going to learn something new today. So moving on to the first slide. Here in this first set of questions, though the serial number is not mentioned here, but I am pretty sure that you would manage yourself to find the proper order of the questions in your exercise book in regards with the question set that is been visible on your mobile screen. Thank you, and starting the session. The first question here, you are told fill in the blanks with A, N or D. So you are told to use the articles. In the first question, he is dash FRCS. So FRCS, in this abbreviation, a vowel sound is hidden. So the answer will be he is an FRCS. Okay, he is an FRCS. Next, dash Vedas are old text. Question number 3. Dash Vedas are old text. As Vedas or Ved, it's a proper noun, so the article the should be used here. The Vedas are old text. Next, question number 5. He is dash MA in English. He is Masters of Arts. He is an MA in English. Now, question number 7. My mother is dash engineer. My mother is an engineer. Question number 9. Give me dash 1 rupee coin. Give me a 1 rupee coin. I hope that you have all done your questions, the answers quite easily, as these questions are not at all difficult for you guys. Now moving on to the question number 11. Dash Miss Saxena is calling you. A Miss Saxena is calling you. In that case, a article we can use that someone Miss Saxena is calling. A Miss Saxena is calling you. Number 13. This is This is dash most horrible story. Most horrible story. Here the superlative degree of adjective has been used, so the article will be this is the most horrible story. Next, moving on to the question number 15. Who is dash happiest of all? Who is the happiest of all? Happiest suggests the use of superlative degree. Next, moving on to the next question. Question number 17. Dash newspaper serves the society. The newspaper serves the society. Next, question number 19. Mr. Bose is dash principal of a college. Mr. Bose is the principal of our college. Next, question number 21. Rabindranath was also dash artist. Rabindranath was also an artist. Next, question number 23. Mr. Sharma died without leaving the here. Without leaving the here. Here means Uttoradhikari. So Mr. Sharma died without leaving the here. Next, question number 25. Malayalam is spoken by dash people of Andhra Pradesh. The Malayalam is spoken by the people of Andhra Pradesh. Moving on to the next slide here. The question number 2 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24 are given. So one by one we will be reading the question and solving those questions. Question number 2, there is dash cow, there is a cow. Question number 4, dash grapes are sour. The grapes are sour. Here the definite article has been used. Question number 6, dash Ganga is a holy river. The Ganga is a holy river. Here Ganga is also a proper noun. That's why we have used the article the. Next question, question number 8. India is dash large country. India is a large country. Next question number 10. Bhima was dash powerful man. Bhima was a powerful man. Next. Clone Land makes dash best desserts. The best desserts. Desserts is quite similar to ice creams. Next. 14. D.Lit is dash honorable degree. D.Lit is an honorable degree. Next, doctorate in literature. Next, question number 16. Dash poor beggar is standing there. A poor beggar is standing there. 18. Dash rich loves to lead a luxurious life. The rich. Here rich is not just an adjective. Here the adjective has been used as a noun. So the rich loves to lead a luxurious life. Next, question number 20. Have you read Das Gita? Have you read the Gita? Question number 22. He thinks himself to be dash scientist. He thinks himself to be a scientist. Question number 24. He completed the course within dash year, within a year. He completed the course within a year. So we are done with this. Now moving on to the next slide. Here the questions are also similar. You have been told to fill in the blanks with a, an or they. That means you have to use the articles, both definite articles and indefinite articles. Moving on to the first question. Dash Tiger Hill is dash center of the attraction. The Tiger Hill is the center of attraction. He is dash African. He is an African, but his bride is a European. But his bride, or that means but his wife is a European. Next question. We crossed dash Arabian Sea. We crossed the Arabian Sea on an aeroplane. Next. I consider you to be a gentleman and an honest person. I consider you, that means I thought you to be, I think you to be a gentleman and an honest person. Next question. Sheila teaches in a university and her brother is an engineer. Okay, so next slide. Here in this slide the questions are not of similar kind. Here you have been told to use correct prepositions in the following sentence. So correct the prepositions in the following sentence. That means the prepositions which have been used here in these following tense sentences are not correct according to the rules of English grammar. So first of all, what you needed to think of the proper prepositions. First of all, you had to rectify the wrong prepositions. Then you have to rewrite the sentence using the proper prepositions. Now we are going to see the what should be the proper prepositions in place of the wrongly written or wrongly put prepositions. Okay, so moving on to the question number 1. I was born on 1986. So this is quite evident that before any year we don't use the preposition on, so it is totally wrong. The right answer should be I was born in. I was born in 1986. Okay. Question number 2. He is senior from me. No, not from. He is senior to me. He is senior to me. Next. Do not go out to the sun. No, not to the sun. Do not go out in the sun. Next, the boat floated dash the stream. The boat floated dash to the stream, not to the stream. The boat floated with the stream. With the stream. Next, the student died of an accident, not of an accident. The answer should be the student died in an accident. Next, he warned me of that person. He warned me, not of that person. He warned me about that person. Next, I sent the gift through airmail, not through. We should use via airmail. Next, the teacher is sitting on the chair. No, on the chair. The teacher is sitting in the chair. Though in modern day English on the chair is also used, but we should prefer in the chair. Children are playing about the park. No, not at all. Not about the park. Children are playing in the park. Distribute the sweet. Distribute the sweet between the children. No, between the children. It should be among the children. Okay. So I think that you all understand very clearly this set of 10 questions, and we are now moving on to the next slide. Here in this slide, the questions are asking you to rearrange the words to make proper sentences and mention their kinds. So we will do the answers one by one, and you will be checking your answers along with me. So moving on to the very first question. Studied the have exam I for. So what should be the proper formation of these words? I think it should be I have studied for the exam. It should be I have studied for the exam. Okay, it is I have studied for the exam. Okay. Next question. Television fire watching was when broke out ID. So I think it should be I was watching television when the fire broke out. It should be I was watching television when the fire broke out. Okay, I hope that you get my point. Now next question. Pie lunch I for eating am. Now there is, what should be the answer? I think it should be I am eating a pie for lunch. Yes, I am eating a pie. I am eating a pie for lunch. I am eating a pie for lunch. Okay. So next question. Friend's birthday have my I forgotten. So what should be the right answer? Question number 4. I have forgotten my friend's birthday. Question number 4. I have forgotten my friend's birthday. Okay, I have forgotten my friend's birthday. Moving on to the next question. Question number 5. Going will party be tonight the C2? Chalo. Next, so number 5, I think this should be, the answer should be, will she be going to the party tonight? Yes, will she be going to the party tonight? So question number 5, will she be going to the party tonight? Will she be going to the party tonight? So this is an interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence. I forgot to mention the kinds of sentence of the previous four sentence. So I am here mentioning the kinds of sentence of the previous fours. You should check yourself. Number 1, it was a statement, so it is an assertive sentence. And number 2, I was watching television when the fire broke out. It was also an assertive sentence. Number 3, I am eating a pie for lunch. It is also an assertive sentence. And number 4, I have forgotten my friend's birthday. It is also an assertive sentence. Now moving on to the question number 6. Watched night Madhu all TV. So it is very easy. Madhu watched TV all night. Question number 6. Madhu watched TV all night. Madhu watched TV all night. Now moving on to the question number 7. Homework done went as had she bed soon hard. See too now looks just look at the question. It is quite difficult. So the answer should be, as soon as she had done her homework, she went to bed. Okay, question number 7. As soon as she had done her homework, as soon as she had done her homework, she went to bed. Okay, I think that's the right sentence. Now moving on to the next sentence, question number 8. They wanted Deven to museum to go to. Now just think of this. It is quite easy, I think. Deven wanted to go to the museum. Question number 8. Deven wanted to go to the museum. Okay, now moving to the next question, question number 9. Cinema will to Priya tonight the go. That is also a easy question, I think. Priya will go to the cinema tonight, or tonight Priya will go to the cinema. So question number 9, Priya will go to the cinema tonight. Okay, final question. Every play my basketball friend Sunday. Very easy, my son. This is very easy. So the answer will be every Sunday. Every Sunday, my friends play basketball. Every Sunday, my friends play basketball. Okay. So that was it. I think I am done with all the questions from today's task. I hope that you all guys enjoyed this class, and that's all for today. And I would like to thank all of you for watching this class, and hopefully you enjoyed. Please So keep your study, continue like this, and stay safe, stay healthy. That's all. Thank you.